September, the Aam Aadmi Party had made entry into politics with the claim that it will do clean politics without caste or religious considerations. But on several occasions, the Aam Aadmi Party leaders have been caught creating a wedge between communities on the lines of region, religion or caste.
Now, in a latest incident, AAP Neta Rajendra Pal Gautam seems to have landed in a legal soup yet again, wherein Gautam claimed that Hindus will soon become a minority in India and half of Bahujans will convert to Buddhism in upcoming 5 to 6 years. He made the remarks during an interview with Arfa Khanum Sherwani of The Wire.
जो हिंदू समाज अपने आप को बहुसंख्यक कहता है, लेकिन अपने ही बीच के लोगों को जिनकी मूंछ रखने पर हत्या करता है, घड़ा छू लेने पर हत्या करता है, मंदिर प्रवेश करने पर हत्या करता है, मूर्ति छू लेने पर हत्या करता है और बहन बेटियों के साथ बलात्कार भी करता है और उनकी फिर हत्या भी करता है। और जब मुलजिमों को गिरफ्तार करने की बात आती है तो मुलजिमों की जाति के लोग उनके फेवर में महापंचायतें करते हैं। इससे जो एक बड़े समाज के अंदर एक जो डर का वातावरण पैदा होता है, लोग जब दुखी होते हैं, उनके स्वाभिमान को ठेस लगती है तो सम्मान के लिए रास्ता तलाशते हैं। उन्हें लगता है अगर जाति की वजह से उत्पीड़न तो जाति छोड़ दो। हिंदू आतंकवाद कभी नहीं बोला आज तक। फिर ये शब्द तो आपके अपने हैं, मेरे नहीं है।
Now, political parties cutting across party lines have condemned the statement made by the Aam Aadmi Party leader.
It is lawful. 85% people are living, the 85% people are Hindus in this country. How can you give this statement? Because he is from Aam Party. They want to go ahead of BJP to polarize the society, because MCD is coming in Delhi and election, they are participating even in Gujarat. That is the reason such statements are being given by Aam Party, nothing else.
Let me open my colleague Niyamika on this. Niyamika, as far as Rajendra Pal Gautam is concerned, we know that he stoked a controversy previously also over his remarks on the different communities. But once again, he has landed in soup, and it is to be seen if any sort of action will be taken, because clearly it is coming as something not acceptable, especially by the other parties.
That's absolutely correct. This is for the second time when Rajendra Pal Gautam, who's the former minister of the Delhi government, had made certain kind of comments regarding Hinduism. Last time also we have seen that a video has gone viral of Rajendra Pal Gautam in which he was being seen along with 10,000 people taking oath that they are not going to worship Hindu deities. And now also he has again made this kind of statement in which he has said that very soon the Hindus will be in minority in India, and that has also been criticized by other political parties as well. Yesterday also Congress has also said that he has made this is a completely baseless statement which he has given, because 85% of people of India are Hindus, and this is not possible. So this is again a controversial remark which is being made by Rajendra Pal Gautam. Last time also we have seen that Aam Aadmi Party had completely distanced itself from the statement which was being given by Rajendra Pal Gautam, and after that he had given his resignation from the post of the minister of Delhi government.
Yes.
So again, it is yet to be seen whether Aam Aadmi Party is going to take any kind of action, disciplinary action against his MLA. However, on his part, Rajendra Pal Gautam last time also he had said that he hasn't made any wrong statement. He hasn't done anything wrong to make anyone, hurt anyone's sentiments. But whatever he has said, there is nothing wrong in that, because that oath is always being taken while accepting the Buddhism. These are the
That's
vows
right, but
that
this
has to be
statement
taken,
is going to haunt the
while,
Aam Aadmi Party, isn't it, Niyamika? Because even the first time around, the party had found itself in a spot. Thank you for joining us with those details. We're shifting our focus now to some breaking news now coming in.